Hello guys, welcome to our channel A to Z PCO. We provide one-to-one and group training. You can contact us through the number that is mentioned in this video. You can WhatsApp us for training. So we are looking into real exam questions. So the next one here is this Lower Common South to Wetherby Place. So let's click on this, and now you can see this is the green and the red point. Again, like I always say, that you need to visualize or plan how we can go to this red point. So there can be a few routes that you can take to get to that red point, but we are looking for something that is much shorter, quicker, and direct route. Okay, so one thing that we need to go up and slightly towards the right side of this. Okay, so let's zoom in. So we start from this point and then we can come out from here. So go up, this is one way. And then from here we can go towards the right side here. So you can take this road here. Take this road, keep going, don't touch the side lines. And then we'll carry on going straight. So remember, we need to go up, right? So that means from this road, once you come out of this road, we can turn left. Okay, so we can turn left from here. And then we can go straight up. And here again, we can go this way. Right, so keep going straight. Keep going straight here. Let's zoom out and see where we are and where the point is, just to be, yeah, so we are going this way, right? So we can see the point here. So let's zoom out. Yeah, let's zoom in, and then we are following this route. So keep going straight here. Straight, don't touch the sideline, stay on the left side, and just keep going straight. So carry on going straight here. Straight here. So this is just the road that we have taken, right? So we can just go simply straight on this road. So you can go straight from here as well, right? And then from here we can turn, and you can see we can only turn left because of this arrow, right? So we turn left here, and then you come out here, and then we can go right here, right? So from here again we can go straight. We can't turn left, but we can go straight. Okay, so you can go straight here, straight, and then you keep going straight here, straight. So I'm gonna just stop here and see where exactly we are, just to zoom out. So this point is here, so we can go inside here in this street, right? We could have seen if we can go here and then go up here as well. That could have been another route, but for now we can just go inside here for this. Alright, so we can go straight here. Straight here, and then you come out from here this way, and then you can simply go in there, and we can see that This is our point, so just click on that point. So that's how we have done it. If you wanted, you could have gone here, come out here, and do this as well. Well, because this is the first left that we can see here that we can approach to this point, so this is why I've taken the first left and got there. Right, so this is the route that we have here. So let's have a look, zoom out, and then you can see that not too many up and down, quite straight, direct, and much quicker route that we have taken. So once again, you always need to visualize where we are going. Then it will save your time when you will be attempting your exam. Right, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.